Hi everyone, it's me Leigh with Victorian Dreams by Leigh, and since I was making videos and we'll be posting every Monday and Wednesday for sure, I got a box, and so I want to bump this ahead. Even though I said it in my last video that you won't see right away, I'm going to bump this ahead and show you an unboxing. I very seldom do unboxings lately, but I took it out of the box and I saved the tissue paper because I think I can reuse it, and I have before. But this is the Anna Griffin Finishing School Wishing Well box cart. And this is what it looks like, and it pulls out as a drawer. I buy all of them, and I have, oh, I don't want to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I don't know. Let's just not say how many because I'm running out of space, and I would never tell my husband that. No. I did not say I'm running out of space and cannot buy more. No. That would be crazy. Why would I do that? Oh my gosh. That would be the right thing to do. But sometimes right doesn't feel so great. Okay, anyway. So she gives us a sheet and tells us exactly how and what to do, and that's what it's going to look like. And they're easel cards, but I know that you can take the shadow layer and the main die and you can put it on a 5x7 regular card. So in finishing school with Anna Griffin, and I've said before, I don't get anything free from her or anything. There's a class that you use the code if you buy the box, or you buy yearly finishing school, and she shows you 3 to 6 projects of how to make this. So here is sentiments. It looks like it's just going to be just enough to make maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. 12 cards. I'm going to count that because I hope it's not 12, because that's what we're paying for the Simply card kits, and that's like half the price. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So yeah, we knew it was 18. It's always been 18. But also the Simply card kits don't come with dies and don't come with extras embellishments, because when the box is finished, as if I've ever finished a whole box, you will have extra. Now, I have finished the birthday boxes and Christmas boxes and had a lot of extra. So, oh, those are pretty, very vintage, very Victorian-y. That's another reason why I love Anna Griffin, is she is very vintage and Victorian. And you can always shabby chic this up, because shabby chic is white, pink, beige, and blues. If you didn't know that, that's what shabby chic is. The color. So here is the memo pads or signature pads. Here is still even a lot more ferns and goodies, and it's pretty thick. It's pretty good size. I think this is very doable. We always get envelopes, and we always get the cards, and I think she gives us 3 or 4 so that the shadow layer and the easel and all that all coordinate. So I'm gonna just do this so you can see. Oh, you can see both sides. Purples. Oh, that is purple. It's showing up blue on my screen. It's showing up periwinkle, but it's purple. Oh, solids this time. That's different. That's masculine. That's nice. Oh, that's pretty. And sometimes you say, wow, that's real flashy. But once you put the layer of the dye and all, and look how much gold she gives us. That's a lot. And then here is the dye. Oh, you see. See, here's the drawer. Here's the box. It's very nice. So here is the die. So you have the easel, the well, the rope to pull it up, the stoppers if you're making an easel, or it could be just on a card. Let me measure that to make sure. It is, yeah, it is 5 by 7, so you could put it on just a regular card. But look at that. Isn't that beautiful? So that's going to be fun. I might start this today. I don't know. So anyway, that's an unboxing that I haven't done in a while, and I wanted to show you. So that was fun to do. I hope that you enjoyed this video. And yeah, so there you go. Have a blessed day, everybody.